So in this section we will look how to create image from the OpenAI. In the last section we have discussed about the uh, chatbot, right? How to create text from the OpenAI. So in this section we will create image. So the code is similar to the previous one. So let me explore one by one. So the first thing, I just created a virtual environment in my folder. So that is my folder, my env. So that is a virtual environment which I have created. And the second thing is .env file. So in this file I have kept my OpenAI API key as a environment variable. Okay, and third one is this file. So in this file I have imported some of libraries just like os, load.env, OpenAI and then Streamlit. So here I am using Streamlit so that we can easily render the image. Okay, and that is the load.env so that we can load the environment variable from the .env file. So I am getting that OpenAI key and storing in this variable. Okay, and here I am calling the OpenAI class. And next thing, I have created one function that is generate image. So in this generate image I am passing these parameters. So first one is the response. So in the response I am calling client image generate. So that is the format of the OpenAI to generate an image. Okay, so I am generating the image. So the model is DALL 3. So it is helpful to generate images. And next one is the prompt which we need to pass it. And I am passing quality as a standard. So there is 3 parameters as well. You can check in the OpenAI documentation. Okay, and that is the n means number, how many images we are going to generate. So right now I am generating only one image, so that's why number n is equal to 1. Okay, and here I am just returning the image URL. So that is the generate image function. And I am using Streamlit, so that is just a title, st.title DALL image generator. Next one is the prompt which we need to pass in that function. So I am passing a prompt, create a image for a cat sitting on the chair. So it should generate the image uh, of a cat sitting on the chair. Let's see how it will render. Next one is the button. I have created a button, st.button generate images. So whenever we will click on it, then we are calling generate image function. And here I just handle it as a try and accept. So whenever we will click on generate image, and that is a loop, so it will display generate images until the image does not render. So and whenever we will get the images, then it will display on that Streamlit application. So let's execute this code. So before executing it, first we need to activate my virtual environment. So let me activate it. Source my env when activate. So that is my environment, my env, it's activated. Now I can run Streamlit. Run, and my file name is image prompts. Okay, so it's running, right? So that is the title which we have written in the code, and that is the button. So let me generate the image. It's generating. Yes. So now the image is rendered, right? So that is the uh, DALL-E 3 model. So with the help of DALL-E 3 we can create an images with OpenAI. Okay, thanks for the attention.